Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode on the channel where, ooh, it's in our garage. Yeah, we're playing some Rocket League today, because, ooh, this looks cool, I want this. Wait, there's a... What? I kind of want to be that. Is there a Mario one? Nope. Okay, yeah, I want to be this. Anything else? I see lots of different stuff. Wait. Ooh, but, ooh, no. Wait, ooh, that looks cool. That kind of looks like something from Tron. No, this looks more like something from Tron. What should our hat be? Oh, I love this, guys. Guys, I have played this, quite a lot on my, not my channel, but, no. I've just played it normally, and I think this game is, like, amazing. Like, I highly recommend this game. I think it's like 15 bucks on the Switch, which I'm playing on, and it is just phenomenal, guys. I highly recommend it. Ooh, look at this boy. Oh. Okay, so, wait. Looks like a face. It's like a face. Okay, one. Join! Okay, guys. This game is, I'm a semi-pro. At least that's what it says. That's what it says. Yeah, it says I'm a semi-pro. Okay. Let's rock 'em, sock 'em, dock 'em. Oh, okay. I didn't do so well. Oh! Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Okay, guys. Sorry, I like that song, okay? Don't get mad at me. I like the song. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep. Oh, God, I just helped them score. If there was an assist sign for you assisting the other team, then I'm like, oh my God. Oh, I probably looked like such an idiot. Look at me. No! Come on. Come on, Timmy. Let's do this. Oh, God. So, as I said, I'm a semi-pro. And I can't let this guy score. So we can't. Tell the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're... Oh, my God. Did that really just happen? No! No! Oh, God. Woo. Okay. So I'm coming in. I was all the way in the back. Oh, my God. They already have two, and it's like... Oh, my God. No! Tell the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. When the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Come on. No. We can do it. We need it. We need it. Where'd it go? Hey! Demolition, baby. Okay, I missed that. Here. Hey! Oh. I always like how I go flying. I don't know why that many people haven't tried this, but... No! They hit hit me! You shall not hit me no more! Hit me no more, you will. No! Are these like pro players? Yes, come on! Come on! We need that, baby! To the good dope days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just out. Oh! Oh, get it, get it, get it. No! No! Oh God, I'm so triggered! Oh really? Really, tough guy? Really? Really? Get him! I hate that guy. Let me get him. Let me get him. Let me get some good stuff. Oh yeah! Oh, dang it! Loves butts. I'm glad he's a rookie. Oh my God, guys. Don't watch this video if you're under 3. Actually, now that I think about it, it's not inappropriate. It's not that inappropriate. It's inappropriate, but not that inappropriate. So I got a bicycle hit. What's the deal with that? When the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's not. Oh boy! That guy from the other team helped us out. At least we got the score. Let's do this. Yeah! This is actually really fun. I want to do this more on my channel. This is like amazing. Come on. Be the thing that happens. Hey, person, you're on my team. I'm sorry, person. Sorry I have to do this to you, but it's for your own good. Demolition my meat hole. I don't even know what I meant. Sometimes I say stuff and I don't mean them. No! Don't let it get in! No! Aerial hit. What the hell is an aerial hit? They won't get one, they will all real pain. Nine, 8, 7. Oh God, no. Yeah! Oh! Oh, they done. Woo! We did it, guys! Guys, look at those seconds in the top. Look at the top middle. 2 seconds. What? Oh God, what? Yeah! Win plus 1,000, okay. Baby! A sushi niggery. No, wait, what? I don't know what that is. But okay, this is Frosty, guys. Woo! This is... Oh my God. Oh, guys. You have no idea the stress that I just went through. Actually, I didn't go through that much stress at all. I think it's that I was just a little bit traumatized if I didn't get the win. So I'm like, okay, I need to do this, or else I'm going to lose everything in my power to do stuff. Did I get a demolition? No, it usually always says you got a demolition when you get a demolition. Okay, so now this time we are the blues and they're the oranges. It's actually not true. 'Cause go. I was expecting to get like an epic save and whatnot, but... Tell the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now was just out. Bitch! Dang. Okay. So, half the words I say, I gotta confess something. Half the words I say, I don't even know the meaning to. Like, almost all the words. No! He was such a glorious man! And then wait, veteran? How do you become a veteran? Okay, he's a veteran. No! I'm just like, no! When the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. To the good old days. When the mama... Yeah, boy! Oh, boy! This guy knows D-Way. Guys, that guy, he knows D-Way. Okay? He knows D-Way! D-Way! He knows D-Way, cause he knows D-Way. I will get you, baby! Oh, I bet everybody that's playing this right now is just like triggered. I did it! You proud of me? Yeah, I'm a semi-pro, baby. Look at that Frosty score. And just floating away. Actually, I got launched away. Probably the plans of Rocket League, but, you know. We can't let them score! So what I say is we don't. As I say, we don't! God, they're gonna score, aren't they? Well, not for long! Oh, God. I always hate it when they... Like, I try to launch off the wall to hit the ball, and I'm like... Oh! And then I'm like, oh, this is gonna be such a boss hit. And then I don't hit it, and I'm like, oh, shiz. But now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Oh, it says he's a rookie, but I bet he either played on a different console and now switched to the Switch. Or he's a rookie and he got a lucky shot. There's two different ideas there. So, yeah, I'm not gonna let these guys take away my fun. So you can... Oh, God! Oh! I am like a boss at Demolition. But now we're stressed out, yeah. Wake up, you need to make money. If you don't know what that song is called, it's called Stressed Out. By 21 Pilots. You might have heard of by them. And they're just amazing, guys. Just hope you've heard of them before. Because they are like the best. And I just got a demolition kill. Okay, anybody over here? Ah! I like panicked. Whenever I see the ball, I'm just like, ah! Hey! Where's he? No! I had such a girl laugh that it's just him. Yeah, he's getting almost all of that team's, he got at least 2 of the orange team's scores. So I think that's what he did. Like, he just switched from Xbox to maybe the Switch, or PlayStation to the Switch, or PC to the Switch even. Oh my god! How are we gonna do this? We need 2 more! Uncover 126. Yeah, he's a veteran. How? Okay, you know what? I ain't playing no more games, baby! When the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just out to the good old days. When the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just out. Oh my god, did I just screw it up? I just fuzzed it up. Oh, come on. Come on. No! Well, the orange won. Yeah. Winner orange. I'm looking at him. Looking at him. Oh god. Crate victory. Rare crate? I've never actually gotten a rare crate before. Training. Replay. Just trying to do a little bit of training. Back with Park. Are there like Rocket League stadiums everywhere? That's what it seems like. Oh my god, guys! I'm flying! I'm flying! Oh god. Guys, I'm flying. I'm flying. Guys, look at me! Oh my god! Wait a minute, I got an idea. Where's the ball? Bam! What? Counted it? Wait. So now I wonder if I can get it in both goals. Bam! Oh god, no. Hi, I am flying. You can clearly see, 'cause I am flying. Before, how did I fly before? I want to fly again. Oh, I got an idea. Flying! Guys, I'm doing it! Baby. And you know what? No! No! God, if there were any other players on this, I would be screwed. Oh god! Where is it? Where is it? Kinda just want to play this. Come on, let me fly. Let me fly. Yeah! Look at that! Oh! I did it! Now I want to score on the other score. Bam! I know I got it. Oh, I was doing the Subnautica thing. Yeah, I was even doing the Subnautica thing. No! Oh god. Ah! I'm flying! Hey there! Hey there! Hey there! Come on, come on. Oh. Hi, yeah. I am. Oh God. I have like infinite now, right? I will now circle around it like nothing ever happened. Wait, I don't know how to do it. Bam! Baby! Woo! Wait, can I fly while I catch him? Hiya! Yeah! Okay, yeah, guys. Oh my god. That is like... oh my god, guys. That is a lot of fun. Guys. Highly recommend that. Highly recommend this game. This game is phenomenal. Especially that I can do this. Hi. Oh my god, I actually just flew for the second time. No, I want to go upwards! Woo! Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, that was like an awesome thing, and that, Utopia Coliseum. I'm still learning in school, kids! Don't get mad at me. Wait, is the guy's name Jake Paul? I don't like you! Oh wow, I'm just a demolition to all the people I don't like. Well, that's kind of messed up, but you know, it's a thing. I don't want to hit my own goal, do I? I just got Jordan a score. I am a complete idiot. He's a semi-pro. Looks like he's a rookie. He's a rookie. He didn't do the swirl. Everybody that doesn't do the swirl should now be in big thing. Cause the girl... I forgot I don't have it. I must get you. To the good old days when the mamas sang. Okay, I got this. Are you ready? Yeah! I did it. I flew in survival. Oh, it's kind of like survival. Hiya! Oh God, I am not a fan of this, and neither are you. Oh! Hey! I love that flying thing. Let me get an eye on that ball, shall I? Let me get an eye on that ball. Let me look at it. Did he just straight up murder somebody? I mean, I do too, but that was messed up, man. It's only good when I do it. See, you want me to do it? Here, let me go get something. Okay, let me just... Tell me when I do it! Oh, God. I need to get to somebody. Somebody that's orange. You'll work. Dang it! How did he do that? But now we're stressed out. Oh! Fly away! Whee! I want to go on the top thing. Yay! Okay, now I should probably help my team by, I don't know, getting good. I have lots of flaws. Just like the flaw of not flossing every night. I I am the team goalie. He just murdered me. Okay, you know what? No, give me that. Give me that. Oh, wait, what? Oh. Woo! Oh, I didn't get to do my thing. Okay, so I guess Raw scored. Or Raw? I wasn't even paying attention. I was just trying to get a guy. Bam! Aww. Imagine if the first touch was the score. Or, like, made the score. I actually did that one time. And it was quite funny. Actually. Where... But now he's stressed out. No! That was so good! And then they messed me up. Literally, that's not just a thing that I wanted to say. They actually messed me up. Oh, okay. Get away, get away. No! No, person! You are expert. And you're saying he didn't do something before? That's literally the exact first time he's ever done something like that. Like, and you're saying he's an expert? No. Wee! Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no! Oh my god! Wait, he's gotten 2 in a row. Okay, so he's an expert. I don't know why, but I'm proud of him. Is that a ghost that just appeared? I just see a ghost. I think that guy was like in the bathroom or something, because he's gotten a lot better. And I've gotten a lot better hits. Give me this. I gotta get rid of that Evolve Knight dude. Or he'll just get thrown far away. So, I guess it all worked out in the end. Raw scored for us. He was like the mastermind genius behind it all. Wait, did I just see it go right above me? It went directly above me. Wait. I was still asleep, but now was stressed out. No! I am super triggered right now, guys. Oh, guys, we got 15 seconds. Oh, guys. So I got 28 seconds left on my video. Let's see if we can get this done. Dude, I had that. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's a ghost! Oh my god, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.